Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another upload. Please like the video, please subscribe if you have not subscribed. Today we're going to check out Chris Brown performance at his stage show. And I want you, the viewers and subscribers, to leave your honest opinion in the comment section. What do you think about Chris Brown's stage performance?
Y'all look so pretty here tonight. First and foremost, I want to say thank you guys for allowing me to be here tonight. I ain't been here so long. Ladies, let me hear you make some noise one time. All the fellas, make some noise one time.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. Chris Brown, shell the performance. As I can tell, the whole crowd and the girls, them a go wild, them a scream out for him. You see me? I mean, you hear them scream out so loud in Jamaica, but sometimes you hear them and sometimes you don't. But you don't know international artists perform in Jamaica. You don't know the girl, them a go enjoy themselves. You see me? And it's a great performance. I don't know Jamaica and we come together and make the thing look professional. I like the look, the stage, everything, you see me? I like it. I don't know, Jamaican. We're going worldwide now, you know. Yes, man. Great performance by Chris Brown in Jamaica, you see me? Leave a comment in the comment section if you think what I say is wrong. Please like, subscribe if you have not subscribed. Until the next one, I'm out.